Hi, this is my restoration of a 1981 XR500RB, 1981. This is we're picking it up from the guy I bought it from. Pretty complete. It's being loaded up to be delivered to me to be restored. He says it runs, it starts, but he just can't kick it anymore. So he sold it to me. And yeah, it's arrived at my house, my workshop. It's registered on the road, which is a very cool thing. It makes it more attractive to buy. So I've started taking it apart. I've done a few things. I've restored the plastics, new decals. Just busy with the undercoat of the hubs. Brake levers are in. Front brake. Foot pegs, all bolts and nuts been plated. Here are all the nuts and bolts that make up a XR500. Have the paint mixed and put in a rattle can from it's a 2K. It's the exact Tahitian red for the 81. Taking the motor apart and rebuilding it. I don't know what that picture is. And there's some more pictures of the motor. The rockers were completely finished, so I had to find some more. Managed to get a perfect pair. With more of the frame. New headlight. Refurbished the black plastic. New pinstripe on the red. The airbox is done. Rims have been blasted and worked. Frame and the rear shock spring. The rims in the background. Rims have been nicely polished. Putting the motor together now. New gaskets, new seals, new cam chain, new rings. Piston was still standing, was good. All the nuts and bolts have been plated. Gaskets in. It's looking good. New rings in. Wheels been laced. Rear wheel laced. New decals applied. There we go. The VIN plate's on. I will start building the bike. New cam chain on. The motor's complete now. Decompression cables on, kickstarter, reed valve. The reed valve was actually empty, it didn't have any reeds in it, so I managed to find a second-hand one and fit it, so it's complete. Motors on the building stand. There's the shocks been rebuilt, regassed. Frames on the motor, swing arm and the shock ready to go in. And we're in. Aluminium Renthal sprockets. Pirelli MT21 tires back and front. Forks in. Exhausts on. Coming together nicely. Speedo had to be restored as well, wasn't working. Muffler on, just fitting the tank. New fender from DC Plastics in the US. Still up on the stand. Almost time to take it down. And we're on the ground. Looking a little bit better than it was when I got it. There's a video coming up shortly. sold this bike to a customer while I was restoring it, so I'm off to deliver it to him, and there it is in his Ford Raptor. Very happy, and off he goes. Thanks for watching.